Congratulations. Points go to group B because that is 0-4, ma'am, not 40. Okay, come on. Please move back. Okay. Yes. Okay, go back. 5-4, go back. 0 also go back. Okay, come on, you come this side, ma'am. Okay. First requirement, ma'am has got the numbers 100 points and you have got 0. Next requirement is very simple. 100 minus 98. Where is 2? Congratulations, Sarah. Points go to group B. 200 points. Come on, move back. Okay. 200, 0. Next requirement is very simple. 400 plus 5. 405 is the answer. Yes, congratulations. Once again, points go to group B. 300 points. Come on, move back.
श्रेयस
Okay.
इस साइड रहो आप हमेशा एंड में नहीं आओगे अधिकतर
Okay. Next. Okay, you got 300 points. They got 0. Let's exchange the leaders. Okay. Leaders should go that side and you come this side, ma'am. Okay. Now, requirement is very simple. Come on, go back. 1 and 2. Move back. 1 and 2 that side. Yes. Okay. Get arrange according to your comfortable, ma'am. Yes. Okay. Are you ready, ma'am? Okay. Are you all ready? Okay. My requirement is very simple. 20 plus 4. Yeah, congratulations. Points go to group B. 400 point, ma'am. You got 0, ma'am, because he came like this. 42. He came. Yeah. That is his mistake, ma'am. Okay, come on, move back. Sarah, go back. Okay, this group has got 400 points. They got 0. Okay. Next requirement. My requirement is very simple. 300 plus 1. 301. 3. Congratulations. Points go to group A. 100 points. Congratulations. Yeah, move back. Very good play. Okay, now group A has got 100 points. They have got 400 points. Okay. Next requirement. My requirement. Okay, sir. Okay, relax. Cool. No, you should go back 2 steps back. This is too close. Yes, move back. Come on. Okay. Are you ready, Sarah? Yes. Go back. Your friend should push back. Okay. Next requirement is very simple. 500 minus. Okay, judges, they have done first.
Yes.
Congratulations. 200 points for group A. 400 points for group B. Requirement is very simple. 2 plus 1. Congratulations. Points go to group B. 500 points. They got 200 points. Okay. Requirement is very simple. Come on, don't come, friend. Go back. Okay, go back. Move back. Okay. Requirement is very simple. 100 plus 50. Ma'am, this is. Congratulations. Points go to group A. 300 points. 500, 300. Okay. Next requirement is very simple. 100 minus 96. 14, ma'am. Congratulations. Points go to group A. 400 points. Very tough competition. Come on. Move back. Yes, move back. Okay. My requirement is very simple. 10 plus 30.
Done. That is done.
Congratulations. 500 points. Both are equal. Okay, come on, move back. No, this first you are very slow. That's why you should be fast. You are very slow. Okay, go back, kids. Go back. Okay, my requirement is very simple. 20 minus 19. Congratulations, 600 points. Who will touch 1000? They are the winners. They already got 600. You got 500, Sarah. What are you doing? Okay, come on. Okay, are you ready? My requirement is very simple.
She's very upset.
Okay. I will call your number. Don't worry. I will call your number. Okay. Don't worry. Be happy. Okay. Come on, move back. My requirement is very simple. 20 minus 18. Congratulations. Points go to group A. 700 points. Okay. Are you happy? Oh, she is very happy now. Come on, give her a big applause. Okay, very good. My requirement is very simple. 10 plus 10. Judges,
They done.
you have done. Congratulations. Points go to Group A. 800 points. Last two requirements. Okay, last two requirements. Okay, requirement is very simple. 50 plus 1. Congratulations. Points once again goes to Group A. 900 points. Last requirement. Sarah, you're losing your game. See, mom is winning. Okay, come on, go back. Go back. Okay, move back. Okay, my requirement is very simple. 1,240. 240. Congratulations. Points go to Group B. 600 points. Come on, move back. Okay, 600, 900. Okay, very good. Okay, go back, no problem. Okay, my requirement is very simple. 10 plus 20. Congratulations, points go to Group B, correct sir? Yes, 700 points. 700, very good go. Okay, Sarah, you are going to win. Yes? Okay, next requirement. Requirement is very simple. 10 minus 8. Congratulations, points go to Sarah. 800 points. Sarah, only 1 point. They got 900, you got 800. You know this? Okay, get ready. Requirement is very simple. 10 minus 6.
They done.
Congratulations, finally Group B are the winners. Give them a big applause. They got 1,000 points. Yeah, please keep all the books. Give the books. One by one.